I just one thing we
Listen,
want to know still.
Yeah.
If you mean like crew or not, still. That's all.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. AJA. So subscribe if for your first time. You see me? Alright, people. So you don't know confirmation from Ravers Ding Dong himself. You see me? The boss himself from the said group, a syndicate of people. They confirm say him fire silent Ravers from the camp. You see me?
I have to answer that publicly because people going to see it. You understand what I mean, brother? Because guess what got me now? Guess what got me now, Foota? And I can't talk to yo because sometimes when everything good feet good for talk, Foota. You hear me? I tell you.
I just one thing we want to know still.
Yeah.
If you mean like crew or not, still. That's all.
And wait to go do. Him not in the crew. All right. Him not in the crew.
Good. Okay.
Wait
Thank you. Fair.
Him not in the crew. So you will stop talking about it tomorrow. Him not in the crew.
Me not business. Me a talk about him without Ravers.
Foota, hold on. Him not in the crew. You will stop talking about it tomorrow.
No, me a talk about silent without Ravers. Who that?
No one bag of something that go around and thing and ding dang a straight nigga differently from that. You see me? So him coulda never do no better than like police fire police, so how they rated. Me hear some man say some things, but here we ding I say.
Some man sign on your contract them and thing. Me not go talk to you the way me talk to a regular man and have him obligation.
Foota. Listen to Foota. Remember me an intelligent youth and remember me is a corporate entity. You see if you want me talk or you really want me talk or me talk, you could only call my phone and make me talk. Or me want talk and you know how me really feel.
Yeah, no, but you listen to that.
Because you know me as a man, Foota. You know me as a man, me is not a social media man. Them way, you know me dealing with my thing, me dealing with my thing.
But thing not just me. And not just me.
But listen now, Foota. Listen now, Foota. How me do my thing, you know how me do my thing. See?
Right.
I saw me do my thing. I'm a big man, so me do my thing different. See? And everything is a man publicized over social media rated. Everybody say I go on, everybody know where I go on. We say where I go on and we know where I go on and everything. But there's ways to deal with the thing and deal with my thing professionally too at the end of the day. So you have to understand that me is a corporate entity, not just a minor corporate entity.
Me know that. Me know
so
that.
Me as a man, I have to know what I do when I deal with my thing. Because guess what I mean now? Me not go act ignorant like everybody. Me not go act ignorant like everybody and deal with my thing like one big wild oats and waiting. And when me are dead for hungry, the same people them laugh off of me. You understand what I mean? Because the same motives they say boo summatively and deal with my thing with to deal it. And you know me as street youth and you know me as streets and you know all my things in the streets, Foota. Me not have to spell it out. You understand what I mean? So when people know, listen now, if a youth round me, a 30 of the youth, I make their fine, Foota. I don't even want to go in there. I just want to say what you say first before we even start talk.
No, you're the only thing and the concern. Because you know people stay, when them know say, all right, Foota and Ding good, and then Foota is a split justice, speak your mind kind of person, and then a situation like this, I mean, I say nothing. What me I say, Ding, over the weeks, we not see even a public disclaimer or nothing, because remember, you know, him still have...
Foota. A whole heap of time them people try out for me. Whole heap of time dancer, whole heap of time artists, whole heap of time people just talk about a thing. And me as a man, ignoring is the greatest, youth is the greatest thing you can find within yourself. You see, if you feel like, all right, now come talk something on social media, make it strong, bro, you're a punk. If you feel like you go hold a phone and cry and talk certain things on a phone and cry, how somebody hold a phone and video themselves a cry? Me not understand that. So you see, with me, with certain things, Foota, I need to explain and rate it as to how I'm going to deal with my things, more than if when I look forward and see what I go on and see what I go on and rate it, because everybody know. You know where at me to, Foota, and the world know where at me to. Say ding dong in a certain things and ding dong on certain levels and certain things. But guess what at me now? Them catch me with one little lula thing, and you know the whole thing. I don't have to explain nothing at all, brother. Zine? But guess what now? We not try to use people with name for selling a story. We not try to use Ding Dong. We not try to use Ravers. We not try to use Ramesh.
No. Ding.
Listen, I'm not talking you, Foota.
No, wait, nothing. You still say about them. But when you say Ravers now, you have to understand why that is happening. It's not just
yes,
that
but
people
you, Foota, you have to understand too. Say, me, Foota, me take up myself to help youth and youth from the ghetto, from the inner city, from the streets.
Yes,
when nothing now go on. Foota, me make over 30, 40 of youth, they are foreign right now.
No, me know
under
that.
The same name. Under the same name, Foota.
But that's why you can't allow them to bring down the name.
Listen now, Foota. Listen now, Foota.
Yeah.
I don't control what everybody do. When I lead my thing, I lead by example, hombre.
Right.
Straight. You understand what I mean?
So my thing is now, me still see him have Ravers, Clavers, and his name.
Then listen
no, that is your brand.
Foota. Listen to me, I said to you, na Foota.
Yeah.
Foota, me deal with my thing different. If me tell a man say, yo, Ray, and a man say, Ray, what me I go do? What me I go do now, Foota? You didn't know, say, you leave there at Jamaica?
No, me no for any. I just said he was in Gallis Wednesdays before that come out.
So this is when me I try, and don't in Gallis Wednesdays before this come out and everything. You usually pick up the youth and everything.
Of course. No, my brethren.
This is when me I try show you know you. This is when me I try show you know you. See?
Yeah.
Because there are certain things where only deal with funny thing, me deal with my thing different.
I tell them that already.
My thing different.
So me and you know the same thing.
Yes. So this is when me I try show you know Foota. If me said this or said that or whatever the case may be, you know where when I look pan Ding and Ravers or whatever the case may be, you are going to say, what is what? Run Ding and Ravers. You're going to say, well, go on. You see me? Me not have to explain. And you, Foota, I'm sure something too. From this whole thing, I hold it for the say no. I try hold it you for
the most because of the biggest star.
Foota, number one Foota. Number one. Listen to me now. Foota, you DM me. See? You say, yo, Ray. I'm going to say, Foota, send a number for me to show to you. See? Because you know how my thing operate, Foota. Them little thing upon social media, what for me and you talk about rap.
No, but we're not getting to it. What me I say is, in order, like Wolano, like watch this now. Watch this now, nothing. There's a businessman, right? You're signed to Digicel as a promoter, and you're signed to
Foota.
Wolano.
I'm not signed to Digicel, hombre.
No.
Listen to me now. Foota. This is why me even try whole conversation and talk about them things because me even want
no, but me don't want to get into that. Me don't want to get into that. You advertise.
Foota.
You advertise
this Foota. Listen what me I say to you now, Foota. You see this now, Foota, it give you extra followers on Instagram. It give you
no, me not do this for followers.
Listen to Foota, man. Just listen to Foota, man. Foota, listen to Foota, man. Listen to Foota. Just listen to me, my brother, man. Just listen to me. It give you tomorrow now, everybody have a screenshot of them on screenshot and screen video with them on screen video and post it all over the place and put it viral and rate. So at the end of the day, me have to be careful of what me I say to you, right? Yes, and all me say what me I say to you, right? Guess what? This little live here when me I do with you just for company live, just to prove to people say it's not hiding and hide from nothing at all because everybody know where I want. See? But you see, everything when me say and do right now publicly on this live here can jeopardize me sometime in the future. So I have to be very careful of what I say. True. And guess what? Nobody on this live here and nobody will feel like them rated. None of them are obligated to ding dong. So ding dong can't call none of them and say, yo, business now work. Because when they come to boom and prove something to Uno. Want me give me a work no? Want me send me $1 no? Want me do this no? Buy a song for me no? Uno not going to do it, hombre. So Foota, that's why certain things when I deal with. Foota, if me talk about some things that me go through, when me personally go through, you that look at me, it'll be a headline thing. If me to come to you and sit down with you in an interview, Foota, and talk about some things that me go through in other business, yeah.
But Ding member say me attack. Ding member say me attack you know. Me know what people try beat you know. Member say me talk that before you come on the live you know. Me have a discussion about the whole thing. Remember me tell the people themselves from 2001, me boss. And me I do this before and me see when you come up passa